imagining the hem of a white dress brushing against my ankles, the soft pressure of a bouquet in my hands. I could almost hear the music, see the smiles, feel the love that would fill the air. These pumps were more than beautiful. They were symbolic of a journey, of dreams fulfilled, of courage and tenderness woven together. They represented the most intimate parts of my heart, my hopes, my vulnerability, my joy. Even after the wedding day would be over, I knew these pumps would live on, treasured, not just for their beauty, but for the feelings they stirred deep within me. This wasn't just about wearing a pair of white wedding pumps. It was about embracing the woman I was becoming, and these shoes would walk that beautiful journey with me, step by loving step. After the ceremony, they would still be mine, carrying the memories of every precious moment. I walked a little more confidently, imagining